And me I get Alkaline in prison. And you bring in Vibes Cartel. Like, you don't know why you bring Cartel in that argument.
I can't tell you why.
A few moments later.
2016 to 26, 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
So we compare the artists, them, Alkaline first 10 years to Cartel first 10 years. I'm sure say Alkaline is a way bigger artist than Vibes Cartel in the first 10 years.
No.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how we the latest news them.
When you don't know when Media Fox pan up in a so them brother them talk about Alkaline first 10 years and Cartel first 10 years in the business. You understand? Them a compare them a say yo which one bigger. See? But we go hear what them a say. You see it?
Alkaline influence, yeah. And me I get Alkaline in prison. And you bring in Vibes Cartel. Like, you don't know why you bring Cartel in that argument.
I can't tell you why I bring Cartel in the argument.
Mm-hmm.
Because you mentioned the term prison, bro.
I'm going to tell you we can't go on and say prison have something to do with it.
No, but this is what I say. If you're going to mention, say, you get Alkaline and flowers and you're going to mention prison. So automatically, yeah, it has to bring Cartel and Bujo into play.
All right. So, yeah,
that was my point. So I'm clarifying?
No, it's still not clarifying. Still not fucking clarifying nothing.
All right, yeah.
So, yeah, we are going to do now. We are comparing two artists them. Because I realize everybody try to slide past the comparison.
So, how you compare them?
We make it fair, yeah? Now we compare the artists in first 10 years.
Yeah.
Reason B, Cartel boss, O2, you say?
Your own O2 them time they really become prominent.
Yeah.
He was in the game long before, but in terms of like, yeah.
So O2 to 2011, roughly 9 years, 10 years, 10 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alkaline, a DJ from 13, but in breakthrough come, what I say, 2016. If you be realistic.
Yeah.
See, in 2016 to 26, 10 years. So we compare the artists them, Alkaline first 10 years to Cartel first 10 years. I'm sure say Alkaline is a way bigger artist than Vibes Cartel in the first 10 years.
No.
Like,
No, you were saying it, I'm saying no, I can tell you why. You say what you say, I say.
Yeah, one.
You say what you say.
All right.
Yeah, I listen to you.
The reason I say Alkaline bigger than Cartel in the first 10 years, I use the same argument that Gaza fans use when I compare Cartel to Beanie, Cartel to Shaggy, Cartel to Sean Paul, Cartel to Bunty. Them totally ignore accolades. The Grammys, the gold, the plaque, the diamond, the rare. They ignore.
Yeah, man, that's what them stay, man. Them ignore them something there because if them for pull it up and compare it Cartel, no, then you don't hear that. So what them use are impact. Yeah, man. Impact them use. You understand? I saw it go. Them a move the goalposts always to make Cartel look good. Cartel is a great artist, yes. But you have to just call a spade a spade. You understand?
All of that. And go to fulling out shows.
Yeah.
That's what them using. Cartel full up the Barclays. 3 times back a blood clot, one another. In full up. In Cup of England. That we're going to use. Because it's fair to say, Cartel and Alkaline never really win no Grammy, not all, in the first 10 years. That's what we're using.
Yeah.
Fair?
Yeah, fair.
All right. I haven't seen no show where Cartel do by himself and pull more than 7,000 people in the first 10 years. So tell me, in Alkaline first 10 years, him do show all by himself. In Jamaica, more than once. In England, Canada, America, rare, and pull crowd. Cartel haven't done that. So him nowhere close to as big as Alkaline in the first 10 years.
Okay. Alright, let me break it down to you now.
Talk to me.
What Cartel do in the first 10 years, change the whole industry. Cartel change it. See? That's even Alkaline himself, he may not want to admit it. Yeah? A Cartel blueprint him for that. When we go to school,
yeah.
See?
I don't understand that. What kind of blueprint? What's a blueprint? What's a blueprint to Alkaline follow? I don't understand this, brother. Uno try to put Cartel with... Wait, a Cartel alone was artist in a dancer? Want to Movado, want to Beanie Man, want to the rest of the artists them. I don't understand this, brother. Uno put one man feel like say a one man everybody did a look into. Brother, that's just controversy, brother. Controversy una use to make it look like say, yo. Una go on like say, when it comes to Vybz Kartel, all the time it was just music. It was controversy, brother. You understand? Controversy. People that see what go on, you know, people love drama and all of them look at things there. Majority of the time, I know music. You see it?
There's only one artist the whole Jamaica talk about. And it's Vybz Kartel. See, in terms of...
Brother, I lie you tell, brother. That's madness. You're telling me from cartel boss. So wait there, one to the Gully and Gaza. Nobody never that talk about Movado. Nobody never that talk about Bounty when cartel and the alliance thing. Nobody never that talk about Beanie Man. What you try to say? Me not understand that. How the industry will talk about one artist. You understand? I see him thing when cartel fought from prison and talk about one man move genre and one man do this and one man do that. Where wanna get that from, brother? Sometimes I just overdo things, dog. You understand? And now look on reality. Because right now, if I never for Movado, you wouldn't have Gaza and the Gully thing, brother. If Movado wasn't there, cartel wouldn't have that pan in belt for say, yo, him and Movado go at it. As thing. So what you talk about?
When do, when change the culture, whether you want to look on it negative or positive, the influence we have on the younger generation, yeah. So when it comes on to that, I would say Cartel is the bigger artist.
In terms of influence,
Brother, the man talk about the 10 years, first 10 years. The man not talk about who are the bigger artists, brother. The man talk the run, the first 10 years of them career, the run, not the bigger artists. Cartel not business for years before Alkaline. So at the run, not who are the bigger artists. We know Cartel are the bigger artists.
Changing the culture, yeah. Musical achievement, I would say that.
no, because you know, me can text, okay, changing the culture, yes, but not for the fucking good. Because he didn't change the culture for the good.
That
And that they see it, him never change the remember the bleaching and the this and the that. What him do in a dancehall for uplift the culture? What positive about it? Bleaching, what clocks, make price go up on clocks so people can't afford it. What else? What else will him do? Me not understand this. What him do good for uplift society? Because the song them, the murder, people in abroad be the light and all of them something. That's not uplifting society, brother. You understand? Freaky girls, all of them little thing there. That's not uplifting society. Because if uno say him influence people and influence that, that's not good for look like children who go school. You understand? Because them listen to artists. So that's not good. You understand? So when do it, is he changing the culture for the good or the bad?
That is your opinion.
He didn't. In terms of popularity in Jamaica, when I say yes, Cartel it was more popular than him. If I talk about hype, yes, he was more hype than him. But we laid down the criteria earlier. Cartel fans always boast about filling out stadiums.
But be reminded, you know, Cartel weren't getting the opportunities to do shows.
Why?
Because of the influence we have and the fight we have with the system.
So when couldn't go? When couldn't go?
Remember, Cartel only could have gone to the Caribbean region, you know.
Fuckery.
What?
Fuckery. The only place he couldn't go is America.
Bro, so what you tell me say? Cartel...
No man, him couldn't go Canada either. You understand? Him couldn't go Canada. Cause him never yet go Canada yet. You understand? And him gonna say something. But this fight, this system fight, brother, stop make it look like the Cartel is this sympathy guy and brother, I don't know a Cartel that do. That's why the system was mandatory made to fight people like Menace and people who are do bad things and attract negativity, brother. Stop make it look like the system just get up one day, yo, me no real Cartel. Him have to do something. Or I say certain things to society when not good for the society, brother. You understand? This gun thing and all of them little thing, there's something. Knowing say you have the influence and all of them little thing. That not good for society, bro. Something what the man did I say, brother. Obviously the people them gonna say, yo, this not good. The kids them a listen all of them little thing there, brother. Remember his kids them in a school bus, you know, and listen to these things, you know. And if all the eyes upon this man, yeah, according to what I say, it a influence the youths them for do something bad. You understand? Because them all they run them parents. Most of the hours when them go school and road and them thing there, them a listen Cartel in a bus. When them go home, brother, them parents them did a few hours by the time them parents reach on bam, them gone to bed, them a wake up for the next day. You understand? So now if you look at these things.
Cartel, remember, watch this, yeah?
Yeah.
When Cartel bus, Cartel told the whole of the Caribbean, him a tour the Americans, him can go America. See? Which I guess know everybody a talk about where Cartel do from where Alkaline do, which is in America. Which I know Cartel probably not get.
Brother, Cartel go America, brother. When him get him break, him go all New York, all of them look places, bro. But Cartel wasn't pulling that crowd him a pull now in America. You understand? I think all man Beanie Man do show there too. Cartel never pull no crowd when him did a go there at that time. When him boss. You understand? Him never did a go there. I think him, I don't remember the time, but I think between 2005 to 2002, him did go there. I think. You understand? I think him did go there, but him never did that do no arena when him go there, no big show, brother. And I do it by himself, so. So I don't know what you're talking about. When Alkaline a film career, I do it. Remember youth have him new rules. Cartel never have no big brand. We are keep like new rules all over the world. New rules with 2017 went out with a big crowd there, Jamaica youth alone a pull that. You understand? And then you have him sure keep in a Florida. All of these places, it a keep. You understand? So it shows you the youth did I do more them time there, brother.
That bigger crowd in the region, in the venue, them waiting perform, but he has sold out venues right across.
Listen, Cartel used to full up some venue that they build in Jamaica, 2,000 blood clot people in the first 10 years. The only place we know Cartel full is a building. You know full now else.
That's how you do. Brother, when I go Caribbean, when I go Chinda and place, they had a problem. When I go Japan and place, they had a problem.
It was Cartel and the blood clot former empire with family them. With a popcorn them alone.
Yeah, him and the whole Gaza thing I got there. The whole package. You understand? The same artists with them usually I say, yo, him nah give them the right amount of money and all of them. Ja Vinci, the whole of them. Sean Storm. Him and them I go everywhere most of the time.
And him a blood clot loan.
Listen, when I talk about him alone, the man create a brand. Gaza, Portmore Empire. Zine?
Yeah.
And him a work, him a bring through the youth them. Remember, no brother, how much artists now, yeah, can do what Cartel do? I work on his music and also have a bag of artists I cater for at the same time.
Yes, we agree.
Then if him did a cater for the artists, then why them left him camp? Why them left him camp? How you know say him did a cater for them? Yeah, him give them a highlight and thing, but how him know say them a cater for them? Me not understand this. When since you having artists and a deal with him and deal with himself, brother, Court had found out and say a bag of things, brother. So him and not deal with the artists them, right? And I hold on upon them passport and all them little things. So we are so that now make no sense. We are talking about Cartel by himself. I dominate for the first 10 years and Alkaline for the first 10 years. I don't know why you're gone in a busting artists and all that. That now make no sense, brother.
We agree in props with that. That is great. But I'm saying to you, say, this youth Alkaline better than him in the first 10 years. You see what you want to do, you know? You bring up say Cartel can't travel, you know? You come
Alkaline and Alan Shearer in the first 10 years.
Yeah.
And Cartel at Thierry and we. Because me want to use that terminology there. He must create, he must assist, and he must score a goal.
No, overall, you know. Overall, Cartel is a way bigger artist than Alkaline.
No, we're not talking about the first 10 years.
No, but the first 10 years, man, Alkaline last him, man. You know, Alkaline are full of Barclays in the first 10 years, you know. Alkaline are full of.
So, alright. See, I feel like Cartel could have done that.
No.
If him could have traveled to America.
Couldn't do it, they could have come to England and never come. And Alkaline came and full up. Oh.
Brother, you can't say could and it never happen. You don't know, you can't show for something for last. What? For last 20 years, 25 years, you can't show for that. You understand? You can't show. It just don't
You with 12,000. Seeing so.
I one time I know Cartel come to England. Before him for the other day.
I think
Stratford Rex.
Yeah, but he can put on 3.
Yeah, but in terms of coming here on his own, he hasn't.
No, listen, Cartel is
so if for that terminology they are going to use, the first time him really come to England on him own, him sell out the O2 twice.
We can't use.
Bro, that is after the 10 years, brother. What the brother you say? That after, brothers, after prison and years no go back there. So the man I thought the first 10 years. Cartel go up there the first. When Cartel first come to UK, was he selling out O2 arena? Or selling out any arena by himself? No, brother. The first 10 years you are talking about next after the 20 years. You know what I mean, no sense.
First 10 years. Yeah, see, first 10 years, nobody can say, because of prison. No, it's an equal footing. Because me can say, blood, in the first 10 years, you couldn't come here and can do it. But you come after, so prison has something to do with it. Me don't want have the argument there.
Yeah.
Because once you go after income from prison have a rule of something to do with it.
Yeah.
Me don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Before he got prison, him couldn't follow out nowhere except the building.
No, but I'm saying, in terms of like outside, say America and England over at top.
Yeah.
He hasn't come here in the first 10 years.
Because nobody never want to see him on him own in the first 10 years.
Oh, what that brother you try to say? Brother, Cartel been into the US, brother. Him been into the US. Him never do what him do now. So we say him never been, or so him been into the US, bro. Him was just not that artist as yet. You understand? Remember that, dog.
So it could be something like that too. Because if he could have come, he would have come.
But remember, you know, again, as I tell you, you see from Cartel exit alliance, the struggle with the youth face, bro. That's why I'm afraid him on a different level, brother.
But you feel like it is easy for artists to go up against one of the most powerfulest fan base, as I want to claim, which is Gaza, which is Alkaline, who go up against Gaza for years, and Gaza fans say, pussy, you, a cartel style you use. But I feel like him have it more harder than blood clot, because if you not say Gaza fans is more cultish than Bounty Clan fans. Oh, Alkaline do it in the time they're against the pressure there.
Alright, Mark, sir.
You see, at this are the thing, you know. Alright. Alliance thing with the Vice Cartel thing, right? But look at Alkaline. The Gaza are fight him. The Alliance are fight him, which is Bounty Killer. Beanie Man are fight the youth. We all see all of that. Other how much artists are fight the youth. It including the Gaza. Only the Alliance thing did I fight Cartel, brother. And Cartel do him for do and build him camp and all of them little thing there. One somebody, a Alliance thing. Alkaline is the Gaza, the Alliance, the Beanie Man people, them, all of those people, bro. I fight Alka. Some don't know where even the system as well. Because remember say them calling Alkaline for questioning one bag or something, you know. You understand? Remember that, you know. Them calling me. So me don't know what I talk about.
Question. Me give him credit for that there, for all him on during that period. But in the music business, do you feel like Vybz Kartel get more fight than Alkaline? Or Alkaline get more fight than Vybz Kartel?
Yeah, man, Cartel get more fight than them.
Yes, but this is what I say to you, say, within that time, yeah, that's what I tell you again, you know, brother, what I say, you know. Because someone asked me, say, what do you mean by Alkaline and Cartel bigger than Shaggy?
Shaggy, yeah, we heard it.
Alright.
People, don't follow them. Alkaline get more fight than Vybz Kartel. Don't make them use the system. Let me tell you what one people. Remember when Vybz Kartel kicked down Ninja Man on the stage? Right? And the press release and all of them thing there. Imam Movado, all of that. Bro, wanna stop make it look like the system get up and start fight Vybz Kartel, bro. Remember say Vybz Kartel going to jail, you know, before the big incarcerated, you know, brother. Remember saying them that call me and all of them little thing there. Bro, the man wasn't that good guy and the God is the greatest thing, brother. Wanna stop it, bro. Stop it. All of them DJs there, the kicking down a Ninja Man. How much thing the man had? Remember say the man take with not nice equipments them. The man and Corey Tad, remember say Corey Tad found out and say, yo, Cartel him a threaten him life and all of them thing there. Bro, the man call on the system pan himself, brother. That a no fight, bro. The man was a menace in the street. You know that. You know that, bro, about system a fight. The man do occasions of things. Remember say Javin Chile. Remember say the Gaza Kim beating. What not talk about, dog? At them thing they don't call fight, brother. The man is like, brother, the man a cause fire upon himself. The man until him do him for do or whatsoever and get convict or whatsoever. Zane, the man did that do things, bro. That's why the system are watch him and everything. You think the man, so you wanna feel like the cartel just their road and system just antagonize him every day, so? You wanna feel so? Brother, the man a bag of things that go on, bro. So wanna stop eye that and make it look like about fight and did this and way. The Alliance thing was against Cartel because Cartel and the D-Angel thing and the Beanie Man thing. If you have a bridging and your bridging start link with your enemy, what you talk about? You go pray your bridging. You understand? Especially the girl where you usually, bro, wanna stop it, brother. Not because Cartel are an artist, bro. Speak the truth, dog. Cause if you don't have a bridging and a bridging apart for years and then when you look, you see a bridging apart with your enemy or with your rival and all of them things there, you are go sit down and don't pray him. And then you hear the man sing song and one bag of things. Stop it, bro. Stop it. Sometimes you don't use too much sympathy thing with Cartel, brother. And then if you do, you get up, yo, Cartel badness. Ray, this like the man never did that badness. You understand?
This is what I'm going to break it down now, yeah?
Yeah.
Take away the backing where Shaggy and Sean Paul have, yeah? And put them on a level playing field with Cartel and Alkaline with the fight and the struggles where them have to face to stay relevant in the music. Put it, bro.
Now we say, me can't compare a Shaggy to them in that sense because them take two different routes.
No, me understand that.
So because Shaggy bypassed the local fight. He never try to come through locally.
Brother, Shaggy, now overseas, now USA Shaggy ban. Shaggy wasn't in dancehall like up on the ground like that, brother. The man most of the time the man they overseas I do him I do. So him not within the system. Him never was a menace or no man with no bag of man around him and bag of things, the attention with a cause and the badness. Him never do that, brother. So our system for fight him or him for involve in a thing. Shaggy just go do him thing, bro. And do what him have to do. Label signing and all of them little thing there.
He go internationally. You have saying just go international.
Yeah, man.
Maybe a Shabba. Maybe Shabba would be a better one.
But Shabba face the fight when him go internationally. But I just have look on it and I show you, yeah. So the struggle with the artists, them come up. Yeah, remember Cartel fight the system. Alkaline lucky, him go jail one time. Yeah, and as him go jail, me rang him cut. Which I was saying that for Tamale as well. Because once you see the system, are coming to Alkaline, you see if Alkaline is there in Jamaica, him woulda get similar fight as Vybz Cartel.
Bro, stop tell lie, brother. The man would get no similar fight, brother. First of all, we don't know if Alkaline there Jamaica or not, because we don't know him move. The youth can there on the door, no, bro. You understand? Because Cartel in the streets. Stop gonna go on like the Cartel never do badness, brother. The man did do badness. We know them kicking down on stage, Ninja Man and all them little thing there, brother. Them thing there with quarter than the people them with they round him. The badness, bro. There's a lot of things going around Vybz Cartel, bro. Where people we might know when in the media, brother, will come tell you, no, bro. Especially over Portmore. Stop make it look like say Cartel is this good youth and him never did a do what him do. Like him never do badness and who a big up Tesha Miller and them man there. Bro, stop it, brother. The man did that make the attention, draw the attention from the system, bro. When you big up about one Dan and all of them look a thing there and this and that. And name a call up and this and bro, stop it, brother. Yes, them calling Alkaline for something. Saying and that's it. But you don't know if him did there Jamaica or not, cause you don't see him. You understand? The youth just move from where him there and move from, you understand? Some don't know what they talk about, brother. But man, they on ground and fight and all of them. Alkaline, they on the ground more while, but you just don't see. No, look how much show you there Jamaica. I don't understand this.
And then all artists get fight, brother. Remember I said Bounty Killer get fight too, you know. I feel like a Beanie Man. Out of all the artists them where prevail and stand up proud and doing things. It's Beanie Man because if fight Beanie Man the only artist where Beanie Man and Carter the only artists where stand up against killer politics and be big.
And the system.
See,
one of the time the system did remember when the whole controversy with Bogle them and all of them.
Yeah.
Beanie Man. Yeah, I give Beanie Man props to that.
I remember saying Bounty Killer system, you know. Stop all the youth, you know.
Yeah.
If you're not strong in it mash up Lexus. You see him for the interview there about see him, he mash up Vegas. He mash up so many people because as a dancer go, stand up for yourself. Being proves it can be done. Cartel proves it can be done. You see me I say, some I buy that still, but me understand it. But back to the argument.
Yeah.
Me I say Alkaline in the first 10 years. It's okay if you say better than Cartel in the first 10 years, you know. When can say it, Gaza fans can say that.
Like it's like my mom says still, yeah. That one kind of difficult for me in a sense, yeah. Where I'm a fan of Vybz Cartel. Zine?
And that's why you talk, so brother. And that's why you talk, so.
Alkaline, I respect Alkaline when do. I'm not gonna be like some Gaza fans that try disrespect the youth or dismiss what the youth do. You see me? What he has done tremendously great. You see me? And as I tell you, enough youth need to study his blueprint. You see me? To see where him forward and achieve.
People, let me tell you the difference between Alkaline and Cartel. Cartel use controversy. Seeing him create some scene for draw the attention upon him. Like most of it is negativity. Him say something in a song, the man them when they run him, a bag of things, bro. We see everything what happen, brother. We see the energy, bro. You understand? We see everything what happen. Him and him members them in him camp fall out, who get beat up, who get run out, who this, that, ray. Bro, Alkaline use music. After the black eyeball, I does music after that, brother. You understand? Cartel use a controversy, the this, the that. Him and Shorty, knife and this and that and Ray. And then use the music for carry on the controversy, brother. You understand? That's what him do. Everything what him do, him just sing it back in a song and all of them little thing there most of the time. You understand? Call some man name, you see me, and put them in a problem. You see me? Alkaline just use music. Music the youth use. The youth never do nothing. After him put in the eyeball, him never do nothing controversial or whatsoever, brother. The youth just use music. The youth father Jamaica, him in him car, maybe him send out somebody, but you just don't see him. And that's the problem. The youth now do media, so you not go see him all the while. Like how Cartel love vlog and do this and ray.
But for me, the struggles where Cartel face, the influence we have during that time, same way, the artists them we bring through, I still have to give it to Vybz Cartel.
Yeah, me can't give him the praise. Him do great for himself and do great for all the artists. The Popcorn them, the Gaza Slim them, we don't know them. See, him do great. This is how Bounty Killer would do the same great things with the names we could have cast on names.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we wanna forgot though. Remember say it's Bounty Killer, push Cartel. Seeing? And then Movado with the rivalry carry him career. Remember say Alkaline do him thing by himself, eyeball, and just use music. Nobody never carry him in the dancehall space and call him on no stage. Remember that. So when you check it, Alkaline run more different. Him get a good run because he did it by himself. You understand? Cartel, a Bounty Killer and the Alliance until around 2006 them have a fallout. And then the Movado and the this thing. Since Movado, I see a Movado Popel Cartel career, you know. The rivalry, you know, brother. Remember that, you know. Alkaline do this by himself, dog. I just, the people them did a hate on him. You understand? So remember that. So when you check it, Alkaline get a better run. Not saying Alkaline is a bigger artist, Cartel is a bigger artist. But if you go pull up the first 10 years, Cartel now go win, bro. Because Cartel bust about 2002. You understand? Get the break. Remember, Alkaline I keep him sure. New rules. What y'all talk about? The youth have him brand. The youth a get the run. Him never have no bounty behind him a push him. Him never have all of this little thing there. Him now do no one bagger controversy things and all of them little thing there and way. You understand? The youth have a better tenure than Vice Cartel. And him kinda still in it. The youth a do. Cartel never do some shows what Alkaline do in a film career. Him never do it. Cartel put him problem in life, him career in a problem. Him cause it upon himself. You feel like say you cannot be how much artists in a dancehall? Why police and Ray now go after them like Vice Cartel? No must suck me, my do brother. How much artists in the dancehall sing about gun tune and all of them little thing there, brother? You not go like say Cartel never do badness. Anybody can tell you. Or who were they run him and all of them little thing there, bro. So when you stop going like say system just get up and a fight him every day, so.
Him do it. But the fact, me personally say, the fact still remain. Since me have a discussion on it, yeah. Me go back and start thinking, I say, you know, say, bumbo clad, that youth, yeah. I first 10 years, I start look on Cartel first 10 years. I say, you know, say, you do have Cartel in my first 10 years. Yeah, man. Alkaline do have Cartel. If you put the two of them first 10 years side by side, Alkaline do have Cartel. Make him look like a smaller artist in our first 10 years. Because we achieving a film first 10 years, Cartel never achieved nothing remotely close to that. Apart from maybe on the local side, yes, they split the country in my Movado. But in terms of the outcome all of them go for is the shows and the money and the tours and even do nothing like that.
I would have to have a closer look. You see me? Because your side chat would have easier today. So I'd have to look more closely, yeah, and both of the artists them, you see me? For all the reason they would have on a proper level.
Because I say, yo, come on, look and say, yo, the only memorable shows me have with Cartel was West Kingston Jamboree. When my Movado. Peace. Sting 98. Sting 2008. But I remember no other big show with Cartel.
No, but you're right. That's what I'm saying to you. Say like, during them time, they never really get on the shows them like that because of the whole political issue, the whole fight. When did I get the whole
Bro, it's not no fight, brother. Cartel was doing things where cause attention upon himself, brother. That a him fault, a him destiny, that a him create that. You understand? So, why you call this system fight, brother? When a man a give himself trouble. It's like, bro, you hide these things and forgot, brother. And then you get up every day and say, yo, badness and all of them little thing there. But when system mandatory ready for fight, you call, yo, system a fight with this and that. System not just get up and just start fight people every day, bro. Look on Alkaline. Yeah, them calling Alkaline way. Him come out, him doing big show out of stadium. You understand, out of the stadium car park, how much thousand history for a young youth with just bust like a couple little years before that. After that, you see Alkaline and the police in a run? The youth never do no badness continuously. You understand, the youth never do no badness. You see it, the youth does billing brand, do this, do that. Bro, after the incident, after the Gully and Gaza thing, that even worse, brother. That even worse. Man dead and all of them little thing than the Gully and Gaza thing. Who get shut off for all of them little thing. Come on, bro, dog. Stop make it look like the system just a get up and a fight. Cartel just so, brother. How much thing are going over Portmore, all of them thing. Me no need to say all of them these things, bro. We no need to see. Remember, say quartered businessman come out. The man even maybe I'll report it. Say yo, him life a threat. Remember, man come on ER and I tell him say yo, him life threat and this and that with the cartel thing, brother. The system been a watch the man, bro. You understand? It been a watch the man, brother. So wanna stop with this sympathy thing.
Political issue, the whole fight. When did I get? You see me? I just that me I say, you know. You get me? Like, it's a good topic where we have to explore more. You see me? Because, ask her, bro, the fight to cartel getting on, brother, no normal, you know, me G. But not even bunting to get the fight with the man getting on, me G.
Me disagree with that. Me not see cartel get no bigger fight than we killer then get.
Brother, remember, you know, at one point, no DJ, no selector now play cartel song, them, you know.
Yeah, that's true.
You see me? And
That's
then
true.
the oldest.
Brother, people that play cartel song. But maybe some of the DJ them with the alliance thing maybe not play. Cause remember you have other DJs outside of that. So stop it, bro. And at the same thing when the Gaza DJ them did it, and the alliance DJ them never did a play Alkaline. Remember, you know, I just the alliance thing, you know, brother. With Alkaline, the alliance which is Bounty Killer, seeing, and you have the Gaza. You understand? And you have more other artists out there, brother. Remember say a lot of artists up on the Gaza wagon. Some of the young artists them. So we are try say. Remember say all one at a time popcorn all not nice say yo popcorn say yo him not forgive him say but boss Alkaline and one bag of thing, you know. You understand? Remember that, you know, bro. The Gaza, Beanie Man never rate the youth. How much people never rate the youth, brother? I just look at alliance thing with cartel, bro. Someone don't know who we're not talk about.
System, you know. The church, the police, the government. Imagine, and the youth still.
Brother, the government is the police. I want people them. Someone don't know what you talk about, brother. What you try say? Remember say Alkaline song get banned too in some places. What you talk about? Cartel was just a menace in the street, bro. Him and him colleagues them.
Stand and hold him ground. That's why I can see certain like come that's, you know, there are certain characteristics with cartel and Alkaline. That's why them are, if you call one name you have to call the other. Because Alkaline get a little scratch off the surface when they come on to the fight. But it was along those parts. But the difference between Alkaline and cartel when they come on to the fight, yeah, cartel couldn't move. Alkaline could. And that play a big...
Bro, you're mad, man. You know no sense, brother. First of all, cartel will continuously doing things. Stop make it look like him this stop. That's why the system half of him, brother. That's why the system half of him, dog. You understand? So stop make it look like some ground thing and all of them little thing there, brother. What you try say? Something have to happen for the system of fight, you know. Them can't just get up and just start fighting, you know, bro. Look how much the artists sing slackness song in a dancehall. The system now run off of them every day. Remember say Alkaline sing song too? And say something in a song. You understand? Someone don't know what you talk about, bro. Cartel did it, and him have some man with the around him. Badness, everything. Remember say when I tell man, must people say yo the beating of DJs and all them little thing there, brother. You feel like say people now watch what go on? People are watch what go on, brother. So stop make it look like say the man never have certain energy around him, brother. You understand?
Part into him, yeah, avoiding a lot of the controversy.
Alright. Gaza fans, obviously say Alkaline follow cartel, right? And if we be honest, inspired by cartel, enough look at things. Just like how cartel is saying, get inspired and influenced by some artists. But does the new Vibes cartel start follow Alkaline? Start copy Alkaline?
In what aspect?
Because I say Alkaline do a song when say him put him firm like cup and the girl drink with ice, yeah? I'm say cartel release some video on Instagram same time, 2 days after.
I said
put sperm like you understand? So Gaza fan is the cartel copying Alkaline.
Yo! If I say I put it, yeah, you have a point. And there's another song where
Alkaline do. Could I see
chance.
coming now, man? Is song there? Listen to my song there? Yeah, you say that already in a long time now.
Yo, all me can say people are two great artists them. And I show the two of them great, make why the comparison. Because Cartel is a bigger artist, right? And him in the gears game more longer than Alkaline. You understand? And Alkaline have to be that great for them competing with Cartel every day because me no really see them do that with no other artists. You have Popcorn, you have Movado, you have other people, but it's like the mandatory talk, Alkaline and Vice Cartel, Alkaline and Vice Cartel. Me no know how them do it. You understand? Me no know how them do it. You see me? But make what them say.
Two artists never listen to each other, bro. I swear, bro. And to me personally, I feel like the two of them is a fan of each other.
Yeah, but
no, me personally.
No, definitely.
You see me?
What's about it today, no? But you mean it, My artist is Bounty Killer, and my artist is Bean Man because them feed for each other.
People, when you hear what I go on, big up on yourself and you don't know one media faxism. Yeah, man, big up everybody. You don't know anything. Say, that is it.